last surgery na. No one's here. So we are going to eat food because we're hungry. Let's go. Chicken wings for lunch. 79 cents each and rice for $1. So today guys, we just had a surgery. We had one bariatric surgery with one of the doctors here and we enjoyed it. So today lang din namin nalaman kasi he asked us, narinig niyo ba ako? Kasi ang ingay pala ng milkshake. He asked us what is the percentage of obesity in the Philippines and we searched it, it's just 5%. So bariatric surgery is not as popular compared here wherein there's so many obese people. And now my milkshake is ready! So parang ironic na after kami nag-bariatric surgery, uminom kami ng milkshake. Nikki, ano?
When they said there was a milkshake machine in the caf, I was like,
Are you for real?
Can I put love? Is it too much to ask for?
So guys, we're at our last surgery for the day and we're gonna end the day. It's around 6 p.m. now.
it's 6 p.m. already.
6:30 p.m. So we haven't seen the sun in
I don't know. What's our last
hours.
surgery?
Yeah. The last surgery is an abscess.
Oh yeah,
So-
it's a perirectal abscess.
So we're just gonna finish that and then we're gonna go home and eat some good dinner.
And
Yay!
sleep.
And
No,
sleep.
not really sleep.
So
Enjoy
that
our day.
is like 9 hours for the day. Robot surgery. Lagay tayong mask because, you know, kailangan mag-mask. If hindi, patay kayo. Patay kami. So, mask tayo. Here is the OR here. Let's have a quick OR tour. We have all the supplies here. They have everything. They have the blades, the Surgicel, the lap sponge. I don't think that we have everything that they have here in the Philippines. All the stuff are in here. They also have all the wound closure devices and everything. Sometimes they even label it. That's for the inguinal, that's for the ventral hernia. So they have a lot of cameras, so when they do a lot of laparoscopic procedures in here, they have the cameras for that. So there's are the cameras. They have a lot of monitors. This is a robotic surgery. So that's where you do the controls for this one. So that takes a harder and a longer procedure than when you do it on your own. And here is the operating bed and the lights and the monitors and the whatnots. And same thing for the lights, everything. So everything is high technology. So that is a quick OR tour. This is a modern OR, guys, I guess, because I mean this is a different operating room. It's a different setting than what we have in the Philippines. It's so high technology, very beautiful. Yeah, but when you come in, you have to be in scrub suits, you have to be sterile and everything. That's why we're like this. Mwah! I hope you guys enjoyed that quick operating room tour. If you haven't yet, click the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye! That